Hello, good day, great professional students. Yeah, my name remains Tayo Stephen, founder of Starry Gold Academy. Yeah, you see, my joy keep getting full every day. The reason being that Starry Gold Academy started in 2007. Yeah, many of us may not know it. Well, we started in 2007, and we started with the CIS exam, Charter Institute of Stockbrokers. But by 2010 or 2011, we now launched ICAN. And by 2012, we shut down all our physical classes and moved purely to video lectures, right? So a man called me. The picture you see accompany this video. The name of the young man you see here is called Testimony. I'm sure you want to hear the story. It's very intriguing for me. The man called me and said, "Who is the youngest chartered accountant you have ever produced?" Well, I said, we don't ask for their age, but me, I was 25 years, 6 months old when I got chartered in 1997 then. I said, well, many people have broken that record since then. So, but I don't know the latest. He said, you have the latest. You have produced the latest. One of your students have just got qualified. I said, wow. So, before I know it, not long after that, he said he's sending a gift, a souvenir to our office. Then he sent in this celebration souvenir. Printed there is the father that printed this to celebrate his son, who got chartered at the age of 17 years old. 17 years. I was shocked. He said, that is your student. You made that happen. He joined, he got your material, your video lecture, and that's what he used. I said, wow. And so this guy got qualified last year when he was 17. And this year, he is in his final in one of the university in Nigeria. I said, wow, how did this happen? He said, yes, he started with his 8 years. So when he finished with his 8 years, and then he used his 8 years to gain admission through direct entry into that university. I said, wow. And he said, so he's in his final there. Why is in the uni? He was using your video lecture, and now he has qualified. So why am I sending this? It brings gladness to my heart and the heart of our team at Starry Gold Academy. When we started this, our motto was building lives. You see, we want everybody in this group that is going through this audio, anywhere, either on Facebook, on our Telegram page, or by WhatsApp, or on our website, we want everybody to pass. So I just say I should share the testimony with you because his name is Testimony. Yes, because I will be waiting to celebrate your own testimony also by the end of this diet. So whatever your position in this last result that was released, don't give up. If you have already passed, like I said, failure almost always come after success. Why? Because of hybrids, because of this overconfidence. Please kill it. Don't assume you know anything when you are going to the next level. If you didn't pass at all, then please get the video lecture and start your preparation. So if you've already started classes, still get the video lecture because it will enhance your success. If you are not going for classes at all because of COVID or because of kidnappers or because of fear of traveling several kilometers through lone roads and bushes to get to tuition center, then get the video lecture. It's enough to help you pass, right? So we want to be able to share your own testimony come next diet. I want you to be able to send your picture to me and we will celebrate you. So I want to leave it at that. So shout out to Testimony. That's the youngest chartered accountant I've seen yet. And I'm still hoping somebody can break his record because that's progress. But congratulations to the young chap. All right. Thank you all for your time. God bless you. Bye.